morning, everyone. We'll start the morning call. Yesterday, US markets were up around between 2.5 to 3%. European markets also rallied sharply, up around 5%. Today morning, we are seeing Asian markets are also up in line with global peers, and on hopes that many weeks of correction have priced in the economic impact of the conflict in Ukraine. Also, comments out of both Russia and Ukraine are leading to some hope that a compromise is possible. Brent crude oil has also declined in last couple of days from $130 to almost $110, $111 today. This is because the markets are hopeful that war will be ending soon. Plus, there is also news that UAE will call upon the OPEC alliance to boost oil output faster. On the domestic side, today election results for 5 states will be coming out. Expectation is that BJP will win in Uttar Pradesh and Manipur. AAP will win in Punjab, and it will be a tough fight in Uttarakhand and Goa between BJP and Congress. So I'll invite the technical team now to take it forward.
Yeah, thank you, Jian. See, last 2 trading session, we see some bounce back, smart bounce back, and Nifty almost bounce back around 400 to 500 point at bottom. Upside, next important resistance place around 16,500, and next important immediate resistance for 16,750. And momentum indicator also show the positive in RSI show upward crossing in daily chart. So we expect the positive momentum today also. If Nifty managed to sustain above 16,750 in this week also, then we expect further momentum towards 200 DMA. And downside immediate support place around 16,230 and 16,100 in Nifty. Bank Nifty also have immediate resistance in 34,250. Bank Nifty break and close above this important resistance level. Then next important resistance around 34,630 and 35,000 in an upside. Downside immediate support place around 33,500. We expect positive momentum in both index, Nifty and Bank Nifty also. Nifty Finance also trading above the important resistance zone, and that is the 600. And yesterday close above that importance on 15,600. And next important resistance place around 15,700 and 15,820 in upside. Support place around 15,500 at downside. And stock specific, ICICI looks positive at current level. We expect positive momentum in ICICI towards 690 and 700 in upside. Support place around 554, 550, 654, 650 at downside. Second, Loris Lab also looks good at current level. We expect further momentum towards 600 and above level. Support place around 540, 538 at downside. ITC also looks positive at current level. Next immediate resistance is 232. If break that level, then we expect 240, 245 in an upside. Downside immediate support place around 220. That's it for technical derivative I can carry.
Yeah, thank you, Vikas. Good morning, everyone. So as per the derivatives data, we are seeing that in yesterday's trading session, almost at the put writer positions getting added up for between 16,000 to 16,400 strikes. So this is a positive sign. While on the flip side, we are seeing that from 16,000 to 16,200 strike, the call writer positions got unwinded, and the new positions got shifted upward towards 16,800 and 900 level. So the next immediate resistance for the next Nifty would be 16,800 to 900 level on the upper end, and on the downside 16,200 will act as an important support in the near term. So currently the view is positive as per the yesterday's data. while we are seeing that the India VIX is continuously coming down from last 2 days, we are seeing yesterday India VIX closed almost around 27. So once India VIX goes below 22 level, then we might witness some volatility to get decreased in the market. So currently hold your long positions with a support of 16,200 level, and on the upside we are expecting 16,800 would be an immediate resistance. As per the stock specific, we expect Colpal, Cipla, IX and Mindtree to be positive for coming trading session. Thank you.
PNB Housing Finance Board has approved the proposal of fundraising for up to 2,500 crores, subject to receipt of regulatory approvals. This will be via rights issue. Company has been trying to raise funds for quite some time. Earlier also they were trying to rope in a PE player as a promoter, but that did not work out. But overall, the performance of the company is expected to remain patchy and shoddy in the near term. So one can ignore the stock. Also, in other news, J. Kumar Infra Projects has won a couple of orders totaling to around 2,000 crores of orders. So stock can see some positive move in the short term. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Arvind Limited has said that its operation at Ankur unit has fully resumed. In November last year, the firm's effluent discharge connection of Hyderabad was disconnected following a Gujarat High Court. Due to this disruption, its revenue and EBITDA have reduced by approximately rupees 40 crore and 10 crore respectively. The unit had contributed 5% of the consolidated revenue and 6% of the consolidated EBITDA for FY21. This is positive to the company. Thank you.
Yeah, that's all for the day. Thank you for attending.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.